This is my Grey W123. You may not have seen much of this on the channel, and I've been trying to figure out when and how to introduce it, and we need to talk about what we're going to do with this car. But first, let's fix the broken window. Then we'll discuss the car a little bit, what's special about it, and see what we're going to do with it. So let's dive into replacing the window. First step that we're going to have to do is remove the door cards. So I just unscrewed our lock knob here. Set that inside. We've got Phillips screws underneath the door handle here. There's a total of 2. Then there's trim screws here and here and here. Basically, it's a whole bunch of Phillips screws. So let me unscrew all of this stuff. I've got a trim clip removal tool, and I'm just going to check along here. It looks like most of my trim clips have popped out already. We should be able to pop these out by hand, but just in case, I wanted the clip. Now, if you still have a window and you're servicing the regulator or doing something else, you will probably want to wind your window down. There's a piece of glass I need to remove because you'll pull out at the bottom from this, and then we're going to pick the top of the door card up and it will come off of the door. Now, we've got glass in here that needs to get vacuumed and some other stuff that needs to occur before we're ready to reassemble it. So we've got this off though, so now we're ready to move on to our next steps. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum up the glass that's down in here and everywhere now on the floor that I could cut myself while I'm working on. And yeah, I'll see you at the next step after I've got all this glass dealt with. When I changed this window regulator out, I remember having to get the window at a certain position, and I think it's just 2 bolts, and then it kind of like can be maneuvered out. I do think I need to remove this seal up here, so I'm going to grab my pry bar and just gently extract this seal. Yep, we're losing a bit more glass. There's probably going to be a lot more cleanup to do over the coming months of finding all the little bits of glass and things that have made their way into every crevice of this door. I can see more in the seal up here and stuff that we'll have to knock out to make sure that the window closes correctly and that we don't have any issues going forward. All right, I'm going to put my crank on here and just wind this down a ways. Yep, there's 10 millimeter here, and I'm betting, oh yeah, look, you line it up with this hole. So right there, a 10 millimeter here and a 10 millimeter here, and then this frame will kind of peel off. So let me grab a 10 and we'll pop this thing out. Okay, I got a deep 10 and a quarter, and I just stuck my hand in glass. So don't do that. It is bad for your skin. I believe dermatologists all agree on that. Obviously, we are not going to be able to put the new window in through here. It has to go in through up here, but you can see my broken glass and frame that holds it on the window regulator. go. Go. Okay. I'm going to walk around here, then you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm putting this in on the backmost portion here. And we're going to slide that down in. It appears the metal frame may have swollen slightly on this glass that I'm installing. Oh, man, that makes me nervous. Now, I'm going to keep a hold of this, and I'll come around here, and reach in here, and just guide this glass right into its little locking tabs, where it will set into this window regulator. Now let's put a bolt in here in the front. Well, all right, let's see if it goes up and down happily. We've got some glass in the channel here. Ooh. Go. Ta-da! Now, there's our new glass installed. We're going to have to reassemble the door, the seals here, put the panel back on, and then we'll be all done. And my Grey W123 will be all sealed back up again. And there we have it. Our door is all back together with new glass in it. So hopefully we can keep the lawnmower away from this one this year. But if that can't happen and we lose another window, now you know how to fix it, how to change that out for some fresh glass and get your car sealed back up again. So that's pretty much everything there is to say about changing the glass on your W123 Mercedes. Thanks for watching.